How to change the brake light bulb on a 2014 Fiat 500L. Open the trunk, then inside, open the louvered door. Inside you'll find two 8mm plastic hex bolts. Break them loose with your 8mm Allen key and then remove by hand. With a moderate amount of force, gently but forcefully pull the taillight straight out from the vehicle. It's held in by the couple little rubber grommets. Remove the power connector by pulling up gently on the clip and pulling the connector out. Remove the two Phillips head screws. Once the screws are removed, you may have to pry a little gently on the light bulb carrier to get it to unseat from the seal. Once unseated from the seal, the carrier will come right out. Be careful, as there's a connector just under this point here that's possible to break. So be careful and just gently pull it out until the connector disconnects, and then you can change the bolts. If the connector comes out like it did on mine, go ahead and tuck it back in. It should click into place. Just like that. Now, change your fried bulb. This is the replacement bulb I used to replace the brake light bulb in this housing.